Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to enable demo mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Here we have to tap on advanced and enter the developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, then let's check our tutorial about how to enable them, how to activate the developer options, and then let's go back to this video. So let me enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is simply find the option System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got two different, maybe not very different, but two options connected to the demo mode. Firstly, we have to enable it. So just tap on the switcher here. And right now the demo mode is active, but it is not visible. So if you'd like to check how it will look like, just tap on the switcher under it. So show demo mode. And as you can see, we've got some changes on the status bar. After unrolling it, you can also see some changes. So obviously this is how to turn on the demo mode and how to show it. You can turn it off whenever you want, or firstly you can hide it just by tapping on this switcher, but still the demo mode is active. And in order to turn it off completely, just tap on the switcher here. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the demo mode in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.